All right, guys, I got something very special for you guys. So today we are here at L Cove by Tri-Point. This is all gonna be Mediterranean Tuscan style homes on the lake. Now we're gonna be taking a look at the residence too, which is 3,184 square feet. Let's go take a look. There's a lot of upgrades to this home, so I'm gonna point some of these things out. So over here, we have like this private room that you could build as a gym, as you can see right here. Now, one of the options that you can add structurally is a powder room option, but it's gonna minus this window here. Then you also have these optional slides. Now, these are gonna be the aluminum slides by Anderson, which means it's top graded slides. Now, the pavers that you do see here is also an upgrade. The pool is an upgrade, the lattice, all this is a completely upgrade. So we're gonna go through this pivot door here. And as you can see, as soon as we walk in, it is completely open, gorgeous views, unbelievable. So the great room here, there's a couple things I do wanna point out. We've got 14-foot ceilings. We also have the reverse tray ceilings here as well. That will be an option, all the cladding. Then we have this fireplace. Now the fireplace, you got two different options here. You can do the electric fireplace or the gas. I preferred to do a gas, an option stone stacking as well. So we have the Anderson slide windows here. Actually the doors, I do apologize. So you have this option, but let's go take a look at the kitchen because this kitchen is to die for. So as you can see this kitchen right here, beautiful, nice long island. As you can see this beautiful picture frame window. Now this is actually an option that you can pick, okay? But as you can see how beautiful this is, it's like every lot that they have here, basically you have this beautiful, nice view. It is completely gorgeous. Now the appliance package here, the standard will be GE monogram, 42-inch refrigerator, so that will also come with it. But these are actually all upgraded cabinets, upgraded stove, double stack. And what I like about this one is that you have this hidden door right here that takes us into the pantry. This is a upgrade and option as well. Typically what would go here is just a pocket door, but I probably would do something like this because this thing is gorgeous. Now, the reverse tray ceiling, this is actually standard, which is a plus. Typically, this is something you would have to build out and pay for. Then we also have 10-foot ceilings. Now, the textures on this, level 5 finishings, and what that means to you is you have to have these walls completely straight, okay, to get this look. Now, the baseboards, standards are gonna be 5 inches on the baseboards. What I like about this area right here, the bar is also included, other than the option as far as the countertops, the cladding, right, and the cabinets as well. So down here we have the primary. We also have 2 en-suites on this side, but I'm gonna show you the primary last because it is gorgeous. So making our way down here, we have the powder room. As you can see with the powder room, we have the floating mirror with the LED lights, beautiful wallpaper. We have the floating vanity as well, 3-inch on the front face here. Gorgeous. Kohler sink. I mean, this thing is just unbelievable. Here we have kind of like a flex space. Now you have 2 options here. You can leave it the way it is, or you can actually build this out and have like a next gen. The only thing about this is that you're not gonna have access from the exterior of the house into here. So if you have guests, they would have to come through the main house. Now coming down here, our first ensuite. Decent sized bedroom, 10-foot ceilings. Then we have the LED lights as well. As you can see, there's a lot of tons of upgrades that you can do from electrical high and low voltage, flooring. I mean, it's endless with this builder. Now let's take a look at this bathroom here. Now the bathroom tub shower combo. Then we have the chevron pattern, optional with the glass, toilets, the countertops. I mean, this thing is unbelievable. I also noticed the casings on the door, they look like 3-inch casings on here. Now, it does come standard with the 8-foot doors, solid core doors, which means they're quality. Now, let's take a look at the second ensuite here. Really decent size here. As you can see, we have the queen size bed. So we probably have 4 feet on each side. Again, 10-foot ceilings, 4-can lighting, pre-wiring, again, option for all this stuff, and beautiful LVP. Now you do have the option with all different types of floorings with this builder. As you can see, transition, 0 threshold here, 12 by 24. Then we also have cladding all the way up to the wall, some beautiful schluders. And again, looks like every single bathroom has its own unique design. So I actually like that feature. So before we hit the primer, I want to come back to the bar here. So you have a lot of options and upgrades that you could do here. As you can see, you have your little wine chiller, your refrigerator too as well. Also with the full overlay cabinets, beautiful hand pulls, by the way. This is actually one of my favorites, soft closing cabinets. I mean, it's endless of what you could do with the options with this builder. Now, before we make our way into the primary, just right off to my right, we have the laundry room. Now you have the option to do 42 upper cabinets, add the sink. I mean, you could do whatever you want in here. It's just, again, this home is gorgeous. Now, one thing I do want to point out, when it does come to low voltage, you do have the option to do the boosters. Now I'm talking about for the internet. So picking up the signal, as large as this home is, you want to make sure you have the signals. Now let's get into the primary. Right off to my right, we have our water closet here. Then the way that this bathroom sits right now is actually standard configurations. However, there's tons of upgrades that you can do as well as far as the flooring. This is the 12 by 24. These are going to be the porcelain tile. You have the option to do the self-freestanding tub, also this beautiful gooseneck. But what I like about this is you have that 0 threshold, the linear drain, but all the cladding here, you do have that option as well. And also with these jets, now these are going to be Delta fixtures and faucets. Now you're going to have ample selections. It is unbelievable. You may be a little bit overwhelmed at the design studio, but there's going to be somebody there to really help you guys out here. Now coming back over here, the cabinets. Floating cabinets, LED lights, okay? This will all be an upgrade from the countertops and the mirror as well, and the sconset lighting. Now coming into the closet. Now this is one of my favorite custom closets. It's a local builder out here. It's called Closets of Las Vegas. The owner is super cool. And just the way that they designed their closets, it's like optional, like endless designs that you can pick. And what I like about it, when you actually go to the design studio, they built the closet based upon your lifestyle. So that's something to think about. I mean, just take a look at this. I mean, you've got like LED lights, you've got a shoe rack here. I mean, it's very organized. All right, let's take a look at this primary. One thing about this primary that I love the most is that we have a king size bed, but take a look at this feature wall right here. As you can see, we have a book match. I mean, this is not cheap to do. But most importantly, look at the way that we're facing. Sliding door here, okay? These are stackable, and you literally look straight out to the lake. Now this is an option. This is something that I would probably highly recommend that you do. But let's go outside, because this is all about lifestyle. And you can't tell me this is not gorgeous. This is killer right here. I've noticed that you will have some retaining walls, okay? But it's just not your standard block wall. They're gonna stucco it, they're gonna paint it, and also they're gonna cap it off. Now you're gonna have some view fencing off to the side, so that way you get more of a view. Now let's take a look down here. Now keep in mind the backyard doesn't come like this. However, this is something that gives you an idea of, so that way if you hire your landscaper, they can come out here and design it to the way that you want. But the way that this home is built is really just made to entertain. I just really love how like this backyard is just like completely open. Now, if you're one that loves to entertain, like when your friends come over, this is literally a wow factor. I mean, just look at this. Gorgeous. Now, one thing that I do like about this as well, you have this covered patio. So that way, just in case if it ever rains, you still can come out here, you can enjoy the view. Now on this one, they actually have a pool. As you can see, from the courtyard, you also have access. Now a lot of times people always will build a pool right in the back of the house, but this one, the way it's laid out, it really matches very well. And I love the tiles on here. We've got the Pebble Tech, and no matter where you are at in this house, you just have that gorgeous view. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, make sure to click on the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments what your thoughts are about this property. I'm Chuckets with Simply Vegas, and be blessed. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, you just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.